All right.
We're going when you're ready.
Yeah, just hit it. Just hit it.
You're good.
All right, we're here at the local RC flying field. This is the Torches Club here in Orlando, Florida. So when I'm not doing drones and stuff, you know, movie drones and everything like that, for fun, I do RC helicopters. This is how I got into RC. So I've been doing this since literally 2003. And if you didn't know, this is where the drone technology came from. So literally companies like DJI would make an autopilot for an RC helicopter like this. So this one's made by a German company. This one's a Mikado Logo 700. And I'm also using their radio, the V-Bar control. And so we're gonna go fly here, nice beautiful Sunday afternoon. And so what I got into first in RC, my first exposure to RC, which led to drones and everything, was this. And what we do is some aerobatics with this. So if you haven't seen a helicopter like this is it, RC helicopter, weighs about 10 to 12 pounds. And this guy generates literally about 1 horsepower per pound. So equate that to cars and you can see we're really cranking some power here. So what we do here is some aerobatics. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of aerobatics with an RC helicopter. So if you've never seen this before, what are you looking at? All right, imagine this. Imagine skateboarding meets figure skating. So sometimes we'll do these types of things to music and choreograph it and everything, where it's like skateboarding, where there's individual tricks that I'll do during my maneuver and I'll flow it together. So it's almost like skateboarding, maybe BMX, a little bit of surfing, anything like that where it's not like a regimented sort of deal, it's more of a freestyle. So here we're freestyling here, just having fun today. This is my Logo 700.
Battery voltage 49.
Got some telemetry here. Pulling up.
Per
Rotors are spinning at around 2,000 RPM. And it may look out of control, but we are controlling everything here. So we'll just have some fun with it. There's some cool maneuvers we can do, and every maneuver has a name, most of it. So this, for example, is called a tick-tock. Tick, just like a clock. Tick-tock. Now we can also tick-tock in a big bend like a clock. It's called a big bend. You saw I hit the 12 points of the clock. This is a funnel. Just like a funnel. Now, of course, you've got your backflip, front flip, roll. One of my favorites, the chaos. You can imagine why. Or a pirouetting flip, as we call it. Chaos or pirouetting flip, used interchangeably. Got a snake. Rainbow. Now we can flip in between our rainbow. Flipping rainbow. We have a rolling rainbow. And just some general freestyle. And now we will do an auto rotation, where I'm going to cut power to the blades. 3, 2, 1, cut power. Come in and glide. And right back on the pad with the inertia of the blade. So that right there is a RC helicopter flight. This is what I got into originally and what led me to drones and all sorts of cool things like that. So if you're doing drones, if you're flying a DJI Mavic or a Spark or an Inspire, whatever else, maybe FPV racing, and you want the ultimate in RC, I assure you this is it right here. I've done it all. Planes, helicopters, boats, FPV, drones. This one right here really gets the blood flowing, pumping, flowing. Yeah, this is awesome. So yeah, this is an RC helicopter. I highly suggest you check it out. If you have any questions with how to get started, feel free to hit me up, because it surely is a blast, I assure you.